Hello guys. Welcome to this channel. Today we are going to discuss about sheet metal. We are going to design a sheet metal on SolidWorks and share with a technician, and that technician will cut this sheet metal by using a laser machine. So basically, this is going to be the design we are going to work on it, and we share with that technician. And yes, this is a project for um, an ambulance. Inside of ambulance, we'll be mounting the medical equipment on this sheet metal. So without spending too much of the time, let's jump into the video. Let's open a new part. Let's take the right plane. Let's give this angle 120. Let's give 20. This 30. And this 300 millimeters. Let's mirror this. Yeah, everything looks fine now. Let's go to the sheet metal, choose the mid plane. Yes, everything looks nice, all right. And here, the sheet metal, the thickness is going to be 1 millimeter. Since the thickness is 1 millimeter, we are also going to give the wedges 1 millimeter, but the wedges can be equal to the thickness or more than the thickness, so it can be 2 millimeter, it doesn't matter. And let's keep the K factor as 0.35. Yes, stand up. Yes, everything looks nice now. And nice, go to the meter flange. Let's give this angle 30, and this distance 20 millimeter. Yes, everything looks perfect. Yes, you can see, as you can see, everything's good. Let's mirror this feature. Yes, the meter flange is already chosen, so yes, and let's give some fillet. We can send this to the technician like this. It's important to give some fillet. Yes, then 10 millimeter looks nice here. So for every edge, let's give 10 millimeter. Since this looks nice. Yes, everything is chosen now. So yes, it looks perfect. All right now. So the slot, distance, let's give it 55. And this ratios, let's give it 5, which is going to be 10, the diameter. and horizontal. Let's mirror it. It's nice. Let's add another slot here. Let's make sure it is in the middle, in the midpoint. Let's trim it. 5 millimeters well. Yes. And another slot here. For this slot, let's keep it 3 millimeter. Linear. And let's mirror it again. And let's do another mirror again. And now let's extrude cut it. Throw on. Yes. Yes, everything looks very perfect, nice now. And we can flatten it and see it if it's good. Yes, now everything is nice, and we can share with our technician now. But first of all, we have to save it as an AutoCAD file, and that has to be DXF file so that the technician can operate it directly. Yes, and here is it. As you can see, everything looks nice. When you save it, you get the AutoCAD file on your computer and share it with your technician so that you can proceed with the cutting of the material. So, thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you for your patience, and we hope you appreciate the video. So, see you for the next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.